to a EZ starter motor, just like this. You're very familiar with it. A lot of people just don't have a clue how to do it. This is a 12 engine, Tunlial engine. I use it on in a touring car. It's not a bad engine. I've got the back plate, which is quite good. This engine is very easy to do it because the back plate, the distance between these holes, it's perfect. It's exactly the same as the distance of the EZ. So it's actually the original back plate. Some engines you need to use different back plates from different engines. You just have to try if it fits. Sometimes they're a bit loose. They'll go in, but they're a bit loose. But if they're a bit loose, that's alright, as long as you can seal it. You know, if you can put the O-ring all the way around and it seals it properly, so no air can be sucked in, or you won't lose any oil, you know. But anyway, this back plate is perfect. So I'm just gonna put as you can see, there's the little pin here, that little pin with the spring behind. So it just, that pin slides here, just slides on that cut. This is off now. Or force engines is the same thing. So I'll put the back plate back on. To turn a bit. See? See? Now tight. Plate. That's rather tight. So now I'll put the starter motor. Well, I call it the starter motor. As you can see, on the EZ, I have to put some spacers. Well, the only spacers that I have was actually a washer. I need a washer and a nut. So I put a nut here, nut there, and a nut there. You see. So now let's start fishing. The one-way bearing is there. That's the one-way bearing. Make sure you put it the right way around. Slide it in. The reason the spaces are there is so you won't force the one-way bearing against the plate. You need to leave a bit of space, you know, just a tiny bit of space, so you can move freely. Now tight. by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, on the back plate, normally you might have to retread. You need to retread those holes there so you can slide in, so you can screw in the EZ screws, because normally the thread here on the back plate it's much smaller, it's one size down, but the screw on the EZ is one size up. I don't know the size, I think is a 2.5 I think. So all I did was retread with the tapping, just retread, and simple as that. Just finish tightening. This is this one for the last. There it is. It's all done. This one was quite easy, very easy. It's not nothing special. I mean, the other one that I did, the other one was an axial engine. I had to use 2 one-way bearings. It was the only way. But this one was quite easy. It's nothing. Now we see it if it works. We use the starter. It works. Just put that. And you can see the little piston there. Now I'm going to press the switch, and there it goes. Perfect. Yes, it's perfect. And that's how you do it.